Alright, well, I'm fixing to get back at it. It's gonna take me a couple days to get all this spread out and as level as possible. Raising it up a little bit, making the area a lot more firm and solid. The chickens are talking. I guess they want to say hey. Okay, in that video is part 3, which is actually done the same day as part 2. So when you're watching this video of part 3, it's actually the same day as part 2, because at the end of part 2 I took a break and then I come back, realized how long the video was, so I said I'll just make that a separate video than this one. So this part 3 is actually during the same day. And where I had also mentioned a while ago about how it would take me several days to get all 4 of those loads spread out, I got it all done in that one day. I got all 4 loads spread out in that same day. Wasn't perfectly finished yet, but at least they were all broke down and spread out for the most part. And in case you're wondering if you saw my chickens in the pen there, no, they're not construction chickens, just because they're wearing those yellow reflective vests. In case you don't know what that is like a little apron that goes on their back to keep the rooster from scratching and scarring up their backside, because that's what roosters do. Anyhow, let's get back to the video. Hope you enjoy. Anyhow, fixing to set y'all up watching. I'm gonna get back at it. Alright, think I got y'all in a good spot now, so I'm fixing to get back at it. Okay, well, even though I ain't been back out here long, boss lady just called me in to go eat. So it's supper time. Let me go fill my belly. Then I'm gonna come back and work on it some more. Alright, well, once again, done filled my belly up, had supper, be out here work on it some more for about another hour. So let me get y'all set up and we're gonna get with it. Alright, here we go. Hopefully the kitty cats won't knock you over.
Big truck, big ties, slinging mud to the sky, living low, riding high, picking up mud in my 4-wheel drive, picking up mud. Big truck, big ties, slinging mud to the sky, living low, riding high, picking up mud in my 4-wheel.
Well, during this last section of the video here, where I got back from eating supper and got started again, that was about an hour and a half for me, but thanks to the magic of video editing, it was only about 6 minutes for y'all. So anyhow, hope y'all enjoyed it. More to come. Well, that's all for the day, folks. It's getting dark, so I gotta go feed up the animals and go inside. So catch y'all next time.